welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing on the copper snake design. So, let's get started. I have been struggling hardcore to hold this piece and be able to hit it. I do eventually figure out a fairly good solution, but I still feel I need like 3 hands. It's ridiculous. Alright, so now that we figured out that fairly simple and fairly obvious way of having something hold down this while I hammer, it took me way too long to figure that out. That is embarrassing. But now we just need to go over the rest of the, go over the body again, put in a few more divots just to make it a little more random and not just one big line, because you can see that a mile away that it's just a line. So we're gonna put in a few more divots in some blank areas, and then we'll go over it with a Dremel. Alright, so here we are going to be trying to flatten out and elongate the tail a little bit more, just to have it a little bit thinner from the body.
Copper has a work hardening effect, so as you hit it, bend it, or anything, it gets harder. So this is called annealing, and we are just heating it up just enough to get it soft, but not to soldering temperature. So after going over it with the 1200 grit and some emmering paper, we are now going to be polishing it with the polishing cloth. Well, I forgot to do an outro, and I don't have my camera stand. So, here's the outro. I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, so then you get notified whenever I put out a video. Next week, we are going to be starting on a new project, so I hope to see you all there. And have a wonderful evening.